I love this three-piece bottle brush set. If you have a favorite water bottle, you definitely need a favorite brush set to help keep everything clean. First, everything stays together on this little ring, which I appreciate because it means I'm not losing pieces in my kitchen drawer. And when you want to use them, just unclip it right here, and they come apart super easily. These brushes also include non-slip grippy handles, which makes handling them with wet hands so much easier. So here's the main bottle brush, which is perfect for deep cleaning. This brush is 14 inches long, so it'll definitely be long enough for all of your water bottles. You can see here it reaches all the way to the bottom, even in a 40-ounce water bottle. Then there's this smaller lid brush, which is so good for those tight little spots around the top where bigger brushes just aren't able to get. I use this one all the time to help keep the top of my water bottle clean and to get into all of those smaller areas. Now, let me show you my favorite brush, the straw brush. This is extra long, which I love, so you can clean your entire straw in just a couple of passes. This is honestly my favorite part. Overall, this set is perfect to keep in your kitchen, so you're always ready to clean your water bottles. If you're tired of guessing whether your bottle is actually clean, this is a really solid upgrade to add to your kitchen.